Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Bobby BearHug from Smiling Critters. So let's get started. To draw this cute bear, let's first start by drawing its nose. So I'm going to start right here in the center and draw a soft curve. And then I'm going to round it off on the sides and bring it together in the center and connect for a nose. Then I'm just going to come right here since I have a Sharpie. I'm going to draw oval right here and shade it all in black. From there, let's draw the eyes. So we're going to basically be drawing an oval. It's going to be slightly narrow at the top and wider at the bottom. But I'm just going to go right here. We're going to touch our nose. It's just easier for me to go this way. So I'm going to go out and up and bring it down. So play around with it. It might be easier for you to go this way and then round it off. So that on this side, it's easier for me to go this way on this, touching the nose right here. So I'm just gonna follow the other side, this curve right here in the center, and bring it up nice and high, just like the other side. And once again, a little bit wider towards the bottom and connect. There. So now that we have these two openings, we're going to come inside and draw an oval right in the center. So let's say about right here. Draw a nice big oval. And same thing here. There. And then I'm just going to quickly come in here and shade this all in black so you can see it a little bit better. And I'm also going to have to shade in a really big mouth, right? So with all my Smiling Critters drawings, thank you for keep requesting them. And I know there's like a lot more. After this one, I think I'm going to be drawing the rabbit, the green rabbit. So if there are any other ones you would like me to help you draw, just let me know in the comments below. But it's almost all very similar. It's always these eyes and the center for a nose. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the big wide mouth. So I'm going to come back to the center of my nose at the bottom, and I'm going to go out nice and wide for a big smile. I'm going to go under my eye, then pass it a little bit. So let's say about right there. And then same thing here. Go right underneath the eye, and then pass your eye, and go up to about right there. So I'm pretty much on the same height on both sides. I'm going to go ahead and cap it off. A big curve. Same thing here. Just cap it off for a smile. And then we're going to come back in right here. And here, same thing. And right underneath, we're just going to draw a big curve. So because I'm drawing really big, I'm just going to come to my center and say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. I'm just kind of imagining how low I want to bring this curve. And then just having that point makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going because I'm drawing pretty big. But if you're not drawing very big at home, you probably don't need the point. You just want this nice deep curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to come back in the center, say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point, and I'm just going to draw two curves for the tongue. And then I'm going to come in here real quick and shade in the mouth. So bear with me here. Hopefully you also need to shade your bear's mouth in, so. But excuse me, my voice. But I know this one's going to be, it's going to take a lot longer than yours because I'm drawing pretty big. Okay, there, finally, right? Now we know it's a smiling critter. Okay, so then from there, we're gonna come back right over this curve. I'm gonna come right over it, and I'm just gonna come around it. And about right here, I'm just gonna draw 2 tufts of fur. So 2 curves. And then I'm gonna go ahead and follow the curve I created right underneath. I'm just following all the way around. And so I'm gonna do the same thing here. Come right around my curve and just draw 2 tufts of fur, and then once again just follow the big smile that you created. There. And then from there we're going to draw the head. So I'm going to come up, find my center, go up, say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. I'm going to curve just slightly up and then bring it down around the eye and connect. So same thing here. Round and connect. There, it's all coming together. So then now to make it look like a bear, we need to give it some bear ears. So let's come about right here and just gonna come up, draw a big curve. And then come in the center and draw a narrower curve. And same thing here. So we're just gonna drag this point across about right there. And same thing about right here, approximate. And I'm just gonna go ahead, just like the other side, and bring it in. And once again, the center. There. And before I forget, we need to come up about right here and draw these 2 curves. And same thing here. And just thicken up the front. There. Okay, finally done with that. Now let's draw the body. So I'm going to, right underneath this tongue, say about right here and here, nice and center, we're going to bring down the angle line. And then let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a big curve. From there, let's come to the bottom and draw the legs. So I'm going to find my center, which is about right here, and I'm going to go to the left a little bit and go to the right a little bit and give myself 2 points. Using those 2 points, I'm going to come down with a straight line, and then about right here, I'm going to angle this one a little bit, and we're going to start the legs. So let's bring this down a little bit more, just say about right there, and then using this point right here, we're going to come out with a curve, round it off, and bring it around with a curve all the way back. Then let's come about right here where it curves and draw another curve, and we're going to 2 curves right here for some details. So same thing on the other side, go straight down, then about right here we're going to angle a little bit and then start to curve out for the feet. And just like the other side, we're going to come out, curve, and connect it with a curve. Another curve here and 2 more here. There. So we have our bare feet in, now the hands. So I'm going to come back to the top right here, and we're just going to have the hands out. So nice and simple. We're just going to come right here, curve it down, and say maybe about here as well. And let's go ahead right here. We're just going to draw these big fingers, 1 and then a thumb. And bring it all in. And then right here, I'm just going to cut it off and just add another finger right here. So same thing on the other side. Just give it a little bit of a curve. And then we're going to come down, drag this point across, approximate, just like the other side. And once again, curve it out for a finger. And big thumb. Then once again, the back finger, and right about here, cut it off. There. So now that we have the two hands in, you need to draw a little tail, just a little indication of it. It's a little curve and maybe another one right here in the back. And last thing we need to draw, which is perfect, is a heart. So we're going to come straight down about right here. And give myself a point. Come down again about right here. And using those 2 points, I'm going to draw this nice big heart. Just makes it a little bit easier to make it nice and center, and then we're going to come right here to connect our heart on the neck. There, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Bobby BearHug from Smiling Critters. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.